Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review these Carlos pickleball paddles and balls to play pickleball. And these are the paddles, and this is what it includes. It includes the bag, the paddles, and the balls. The material of the paddles is really sturdy. You can play with them really nice. And the paddles and the balls are made of plastic. And here is like the instructions, and the bag is really nice because you can add something else to the net bag that it's outside, but on the inside will keep your paddles and pickle balls protected. So let's just go outside and start playing with them. So here is how we are playing with them. If one ball goes away, you have like two or three extra as well. And we are getting better at playing with this. I'm so glad that I got sent out these for review because we're having so much fun playing with this.